From rejection to recognition. Hello everyone, welcome back to LearnBurst. Today's story is called From Rejection to Recognition. This story will help you times learn simple spoken English, times improve listening skills, times get a powerful life lesson. So stay with me till the end. Part 1. A normal boy with an unusual dream. Rohan was a simple boy from a middle class family. He lived in a small city. His father worked in a private company. His mother was a school teacher. Rohan was not very good in studies. He failed in maths 2 times. Teachers said, "You are not serious about life." Relatives said, "He has no future." But Rohan had one big dream. He wanted to become a motivational speaker. He loved watching speeches on YouTube. He practiced speaking in front of a mirror. Every night he said to himself, "One day, people will listen to my story." Part 2. First public failure. In college, there was a speech competition. Rohan decided to participate. His hands were shaking. His voice was trembling. When he started speaking, some students laughed. He forgot his lines. He ran off the stage. That night, he cried. He said to his mother, "I am useless. I can't speak." His mother said softly, "Failure is not the end. It is just a lesson." Part 3. The hard practice phase. Rohan didn't quit. He joined a free spoken English group. He recorded his voice daily. He improved his pronunciation. He wrote short speeches. He watched TED Talks. He learned body language. He practiced every single day. Slowly, his fear reduced. His confidence increased. Part 4. Family pressure. After graduation, his father said, "Get a job. Stop wasting time on dreams." Rohan got a small office job. But his heart was not there. After office, he still practiced speaking. He uploaded small videos on Instagram. 0 likes. 0 comments. But he didn't stop. Part 5. Another rejection. Rohan applied to speak at a local event. They rejected him. He applied again. Rejected again. He felt tired. He felt broken. He wrote in his diary, "I am trying. But nothing is working." Part 6. The turning point. One day, his boss asked him to give a short presentation. Rohan was nervous. But he did it. Everyone clapped. His boss said, "You speak well. Why don't you become a trainer?" That moment changed Rohan's thinking. Part 7. First paid speech. Rohan contacted a school. He offered a free session. The principal agreed. Students loved his talk. The school invited him again. This time, they paid him 2000 rupees. Rohan's first income from his dream. He cried that night. Part 8. Social media growth. Rohan posted speech clips online. One video went viral. 10,000 views. 50,000 views. 1 lakh views. People started messaging, "Your story inspired me." He started getting event invitations. Part 9. Big recognition. After 2 years, Rohan was invited to a national youth event. He spoke in front of 5,000 people. People gave a standing ovation. His parents sat in the front row. His father had tears in his eyes. He said, "My son proved me wrong." Part 10 Giving Back. Rohan started free workshops. He trained poor students. He helped them build confidence. One boy asked, "Sir, what is success?" Rohan smiled and said, "Success is not money. Success is becoming what you dream to be." Final message, dear friends, rejection will come. Failure will come. People will doubt you. But if you don't quit, your time will come.